Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I am Muhammad Shahid and today we are going to learn a Chinese sentence. And what is it? It is in front of you. It says that 生气不好吧生气不好吧 It's not good to be angry. गुस्सा होना अच्छी बात नहीं है. 生气 means to be angry. 不好 it's not good. Ba it is a particle that is used at the end of a sentence and it has different meanings, but one of its use it has different uses, but one of its uses is that it is used for suggesting someone about something. Like you are suggesting someone that, as you know that being angry is not good, so you are like telling them. Or you can understand it from the second sentence that 我们走吧 let's go, or we need to go, हमें चलना चाहिए. So अगर आप किसी को ये बात तजवीज़ करें कि ये चीज़ अच्छी नहीं है या ये हमें ये करना चाहिए, आप तजवीज़ दे तो उसके लिए आखिर में हम बा का लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल करते हैं, this word. Okay, this word. So 生气不好吧 it's not good to be angry. गुस्सा होना अच्छी बात नहीं. और वमन चौबा हमें चलना चाहिए. वमन means we, चौ means to walk, to go. Ba again this particle is used at the end of a sentence and it means that you're suggesting someone, you are inviting someone to go with you. Okay, 生气不好吧 is it's not good to be angry. So let's proceed and get to know about the writing of this sentence. So we have the word 生 生气 the उर्दू का तलफ़ुज़ इसका क्या होगा? 生气 like हे के साथ. 生气 means to be angry, to be angry. गुस्सा होना ये तलफ़ुज़ है 生气 不好 not good, अच्छा नहीं है गुस्सा होना. 不好吧 or and this word I have told you ba that one of its use is to suggest someone something. तजवीज़ देना किसी को किसी चीज़ के बारे में, किसी चीज़ के बारे में. सो आप बता रहे हैं उस शख्स को कि गुस्सा होना अच्छी बात नहीं है. So you should not get angry. Okay, you should not get angry, or it's not good to be angry. So this is all for today. I hope that you would have learned some new information from today's lecture. And our sentence was 生气不好吧 it's not good to be angry. गुस्सा होना अच्छी बात नहीं. You are suggesting someone, you are inviting someone. It's not basically inviting, but you can say that you are telling someone, you are making someone aware of the fact that being angry is not good. So this is all for today. See you in next lecture. Don't forget to subscribe to Chinese Language Made Easy. 再见.